Hi everyone, this is Keith. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today I have scallops. These are very fresh scallops. Done. I brushed them well, so they are very clean. I'm gonna steam this first, and I'm gonna stir fry it with this chili paste I made this morning. Recipe for this chili paste is somewhere here, somewhere here. I made this in the morning. I left in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. As you see, it's got very thickened, nice. If you do this in advance, it gets more flavor. So, but if you don't have time, just do it straight away. So let's steam. By the way, this is, if you don't have a steamer, this is very handy. I got this from Korean supermarket. And this is a boiled water. Make sure the water doesn't go over the stand. Turn on the heat. And lid on. Steam it for 8 minutes. Turn off the gas. Ta-da! When the shell is opened completely like this, that means it's cooked. So let's take them out. So I removed the top shell, and there is the dark side, green gut. So I took it off. So it's cleaned up. So let's stir fry. Gas on. The sauce in. Scallop is already cooked, so you don't have to cook long. In. I'm gonna turn down the gas. Turn up the gas. It's done. Ooh. So today I made scallops, stir fried with the chili paste. Wow, look at this. Woohoo, woohoo. This is ginger tea, cold ginger tea. So yeah, I'm gonna dig in. Which one? The sauce. It's huge. Wow. Mm. Mm. Yeah. My hand is gonna get messy. Ah, got it. Look at the size. Mm. Wow. It's melting. I'm wearing gloves. Okay. It has a quite of a kick, but it's delicious. Absolutely delicious. The sauce is really tasty. Look at the size. Mm. So much meat. Mm. I love the texture. Oh, wow. You know, I'm fully satisfied. Mm. Can you see? Wow, I never seen this much big scallops before. Mm. 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 Wow. The sauce makes everything amazing. Ta-da! I'll show you. All the scallops huge. Wow, that was amazing and spicy. But it was delicious spicy. I think the sauce works really well with the scallops. And so the chili paste is sweet and garlicky and also spicy. Tasty. I was struggling even, the meat was so big. So I was even struggling to put it in my mouth. So when I started chewing, there was fireworks going on. All the juice came out, the texture, oh my god, it was so succulent and the meat was so tender. Whew, what a joy. I really enjoyed this. If you guys have a chance to cook this at home, follow my recipe. It's really simple and easy and it didn't take time. It was so quick. So yeah, enjoy my recipe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye. Bye.